Okay, good morning and welcome again to my channel. Here we are going to test in actual how to check the strobe using the loop tester. Later on, we will try to see or we will do how to set up the loop tester to find the strobe line.
Bollywood.
Now just remove the line of the strobe for testing.
I-mention mo yung kable. Ang laking kable ba?
Now let's start how to set up the loop tester to find the cable for strobe.
Dapat yung tester mo.
First, check the voltage if we have or
Wala.
grounded or earth fault. None.
Ito.
Okay, it's clean. Clean. Now we connect the positive and negative connector, then set up menu, then scroll down, back to menu, menu, then scroll down, ID na, okay, just enter, then detail scan, enter. Now we will see. Now it's scanning. This is the setup how to find the address in the evacuation speaker with strobe. You see, we found out that there is a 10 strobes here in this area. So let's try to check one by one. Just press enter, enter, and scroll down by address. Scroll down. Okay, enter. Okay, that's it. Enter. Scroll down. Number 1 is missing. So we have only number 2. Missing because we open up the first strobe. So we started at number 2. Now number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now back to 1, back to 2. You see? That's it. How to find the loop, the address of the speaker with strobe. Thank you.